Okay, so this is a quick video on getting a spare key just to start a Saab with the pod key. Pretty important for these vehicles. When you have no keys, it's a pretty big deal. So first thing I would recommend is you get a Saab key shell, and then you can have a chip installed by the local locksmith or whomever. This is how I choose to install mine. We're going to be using the Xhorse Keymax tool to clone it. We're going to sniff the data. Going to pull it out. We're going to take our chip, it is complete. I'm not going to put the whole key shell together, but we're going to put this in. We're going to turn it. Car starts. Turn it off. And pretty much you just get a key shell. This will work with most good cloners, whether it's the Keyline Mini, Keyline, JMA, RW4 with the snoop. Anything that's got a snoop, this thing will clone. But do yourself a favor, make sure you at least have a spare key or a spare pod key to start the vehicle.